Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. In this video, I'll show you how to change a light bulb on a Miele Tumble dryer. If the bulb in your tumble dryer has stopped working, this video will show you how to replace it. Now, safety first, always disconnect an appliance before carrying out any work. The next thing I need to do is to remove the top of the appliance by undoing the 2 screws at the back and the 2 screws on the side using a Torx head screwdriver. Now be careful when you lift the top off, as there are a couple of brackets at the back of the machine which may fall in, but don't worry, they're easily retrieved and then you can just pop them back into position. Now, after taking the top of the appliance off, the next thing I need to do is to remove the door. I'm going to be taking the door as well as the hinge off. Very simple to do, just undo the 2 Torx head screws that hold the hinge and door in place. Now the door is out of the way, the next thing I need to do is to remove the front panel. So I can just lift up this control panel and gently rest it on the top. And now I need to remove the 9 screws, again Torx head, 2 at the top and 7 around the door opening. With the front panel removed, here we can see our bulb. Very simple to remove. Simply unscrew it from its housing and then carefully lift it out. We can then grab our new bulb and put that in. With our brand new bulb in place, I can now refit the front panel. When you're tightening up the screws for the door lock here, do make sure these are as tight as possible. This will help the door lock protrude, meaning you can close the door properly. Now all I need to do is to put the control panel on and grab the door and put that back on as well. Once you've fitted the door, always remember to check that it closes properly and the door release mechanism can work. With the door on, now all I need to do is put the top back on. So there we have it, one brand new bulb fitted to this Miele Tumble dryer. Remember, spares and accessories for all the appliances around your home can be found on the eSpares website. Thanks for watching.